friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CSJAS. So I am here to announce two special live classes for our CSEET students who are going to sit in January attempt. Yes, I know कि CSEET first level होता है हमारे CS students का, and students are really nervous how to clear it, how to start preparing, where to start preparation from. So I am here to give you guidance. I am here to be your guiding light and give you the directions कि आप किस तरीके से अपनी preparation start करो and how to prepare, how to revise and everything for January attempt. So I am coming live on 14th November at 4 p.m. I will be telling you the strategy to clear CSEET in January 2022 attempt. I will give you a foolproof strategy. By using that strategy, by studying in just these 30 to 35 days, you will be clearing your CSEET in January attempt. These classes are totally free of cost. Unlock the classes by using my code CSJAS. And then on 20th November, I will be coming up to tell you the timetable for CSEET January 2022 attempt at 4 p.m. So if you're somebody sitting for January attempt and you are a CSEET student, I would highly request you to join the session. The session will be great help to you. मैं आपको strategies बताऊंगी जिन्हें use करके आप January attempt 100% clear कर लोगे. And on 20th November, I will be telling you the timetable कि किस तरीके से आपको अपने 4 subjects को bifurcate करना है, prepare करना है and revise करना है ताकि आप अपना January attempt crack कर सको. And also in these sessions, if you want to ask any kind of doubt or query you have regarding this course, you can ask me. So I would urge you to join both the sessions by using my code CSJAS. The time for both the sessions is same, that is at 4 p.m. I promise that the sessions will be really beneficial for you and you will not regret joining both the sessions. Other than that, you can also check the victory batch launched for you all, especially the CSEET January attempt. You can go and check the details. The subscription link and the class links will be in the description box below. So दोनों ही sessions के class links description box में हैं, उन पे click करके notify me पे click कर दो. So before the class begins, you get the notification and you join the class on time. Waiting for all of you to join the sessions on 14th and 20th sharp at 4 p.m. Unlock the class by using my code CSJAS. Bye.